Subscribe and press the bell icon. In this video we will know about the dynamic state of India, Karnataka. Karnataka is a state in southwestern region of India. The name Karnataka is derived from Kannada word Karu and Nadu, meaning elevated land. Karnataka is the sixth largest state of India with a land mass of 1.91 lakh square kilometers, which is approximately 5.83% of total geographical area of India. This land area is equivalent to the land area of Syria, the country in Western Asia. About 38,724 square kilometers of Karnataka is covered by forest, which is about 20% of state's geological area. Karnataka is the fourth largest state in India with Rs 15.35 trillion in GDP. The capital city of Karnataka is Bengaluru, which is the hub of IT industry in India. Karnataka scores a rank of 19th in Human Development Index. After India's independence, the king of erstwhile princely state of Mysore allowed his kingdom's accession to India. Former king served as the head of the state till 1973. In the 1950s Ekikarana movement, Kodagu region and all the Kannada-speaking regions of adjoining states of Madras, Hyderabad and Bombay were incorporated into Mysore through the State Reorganization Act of 1956. In 1973, Mysore state was renamed as Karnataka. Since then the state has seen many reorganization due to local pressures and administrative convenience. And now the state has a total of 30 districts. Let's know about Karnataka's borders. Karnataka is the only state to have land border with all four southern Indian sister states. Karnataka is bordered by Goa to the northwest, Maharashtra to the north, Telangana to the northeast, Andhra Pradesh to the east, Tamil Nadu to the southeast, Kerala to the south and also Arabian Sea to the west. Three districts of Karnataka, Uttara Kannada, Udupi and Dakshina Kannada face the Arabian Sea and have an excellent tourism potential. Karnataka's flag. Karnataka is the only state in India to have an flag, though unofficial, which is mostly hoisted on Kannada Rajyotsava, celebrated on 1st of November. However, there is no official state flag of Karnataka. The flag on the top right corner is the unofficial flag since 1973. It's the pride of Kannadigas. In 2017, the then CM of Karnataka constituted a committee headed by G.S. Siddharame to study the legality of adopting a state flag. The committee recommended the tricolor flag as shown on the bottom left corner of the screen as the state flag. This recommendation did not go well with the various Sanghas in Karnataka. As a result of political backlash, the government of Karnataka in 2019 announced that it is no longer pursuing the proposal for separate state flag. Emblem of Karnataka. Gandiberanda is the official emblem of Karnataka state government. Gandiberanda is an imaginary two-headed bird, which was first used as a sign on coins of Vijayanagar Empire. Gandiberanda was also used by Vodayar dynasty of Mysore as royal emblem. The sculpture of Gandiberanda is found on the roof of Rameshwara temple in Keladi, Shimoga district. The crest of Indian Navy ship in Mysore features Gandiberanda. Karnataka politics. The seat of Karnataka government, Vidhana Soudha, is located in Bengaluru. The Kangal Hanumantaya is credited with conception and construction of Vidhan Soudha. Vidhan Soudha is Mysore neo-Dravidian style architecture which incorporates elements of Indo-Saracenic and Dravidian style, whose foundation was laid by former PM of India Jawaharlal Nehru and the former CM of Karnataka K.C. Reddy. The construction of Vidhan Soudha was completed in 1956. The Karnataka state is one of the 6 states in India to have bicameral legislature. The Legislative Assembly has 224 seats. And the Legislative Council has 75 seats. Karnataka has a total of 28 Lok Sabha constituency from where MP are elected. Karnataka also elects 12 members to the Rajya Sabha seats through indirect election by the state legislators of Karnataka. Demographics of Karnataka. According to Census 2011, total population of Karnataka is 61.09 crore, of which 3.09 crore, that is 50.7%, are male and 3.01 crore, that is 49.3%, are female. The population density is 319 per square kilometers and 39% people lived in urban areas. 73.77% of population of Karnataka practice Hindu religion, 21% following Muslim religion, 3.5% are Christians and others constitute 1.5%. The languages spoken in Karnataka. Kannada is the official language of Karnataka state and 66.5% speak Kannada as per census 2011, 10% speak Urdu, 5.84% speak Telugu and so on. The unique speciality of Kannada language is that it is one of the 6 classical languages of India. Literary rate of Karnataka. As per census 2011, Karnataka has a literacy rate of 75.36%, which is slightly better than the national average. This amounts to a total of 4.06 crore people are literate in Karnataka. 82.47% of males in Karnataka are literate and 68.08% females are literate in Karnataka. Dakshin Kannada district has the highest literacy rate of 88.62% in Karnataka. However, Yadgiri and Raichur district are the worst districts with a literary rate below 60%. Additional information about demography of Karnataka is the sex ratio of Karnataka is 973 females for every 1000 males, which is less than that of the sex ratio of Tamil Nadu, and the child sex ratio is 948 females for every 1000 males, which is a matter of concern. Rivers of Karnataka. Karnataka has the second largest drought-prone area in India after Rajasthan. The state is completely dependent on the monsoon rainfall for irrigation, drinking water and for industrial purpose. There are 7 river systems in Karnataka which, with their tributaries, drain the state. These river systems are Kaveri, Krishna, North Pennar, South Pennar, Godavari, Pala and west flowing rivers Kali, Netravati, Shravati, Mahadai and Varahi. Since 1990s, the state of Karnataka has encountered many river water sharing disputes with the neighboring states. For example, Krishna water dispute with the state of Maharashtra, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Kaveri water dispute with the state of Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Puducherry. Mahadai water dispute with the state of Goa and Maharashtra. The sad part of these disputes is that they have not yet resolved. Agriculture of Karnataka. Karnataka has overcome the difficulty of shortage of water over the years and has emerged as the largest producer of some of the umpteen crops grown in India. Karnataka is the largest producer of silk, sunflower, cardamom, maize ragi, coffee and many other. Also, Karnataka is the second largest producer of safflower, jowar, the staple food of North Karnataka people and many other. B-tagged products of Karnataka. B geographical indications is a sign used on certain products which corresponds to a specific geographic location in the country. We ensure that none other than those registered as authorized users are allocated to use the popular product name. The famous B-tagged products from Karnataka are Dharwad Padha, Mysore silk, Mysore agarbatti, Channapatna toys, Mysore sandal soap and oil, Nanjangud banana, Coorg orange, Mysore betel leaf, Ekal sari, Coorg cardamom, Malabar Arabian coffee, Vedagi chili, Devanahalli pomelo, Bengaluru blue grapes, Bengaluru rose onion, Udupi sari, Sirsi supari and Kolhapuri chappal. Important places in Karnataka. According to the Tourism Ministry's tagline Karnataka, one state, many worlds, there are many historical, natural and man-made tourist attraction points in Karnataka. Few among them are Mysore Palace, which will at the peak of its grandeur during Dashehra festival, Bannerghatta Biological Park, Nandi Hills, Hampi, once the Vijayanagar Empire capital, Kuduremukha, Brahmagiri, Baba Budangiri, Gol Gumbaz, Badami Caves, Om Beach, KRS Dam, Jog Falls, Hoysaleshwara Temple, Kupke Subramanya Temple, Netreni Island, Maravinte Beach, Murudeshwar and many more. Yakshagana of Karnataka. It is a traditional theatre form of Karnataka. It is performed with massive headgear, elaborate facial makeup and vibrant costumes and ornaments. It is usually performed with percussion instruments like chenda, madalam. It is traditionally performed from dusk to dawn. In earlier days it was known as Bhagavatara Atta, which revolved around the stories of Lord Krishna and Vishnu. Lastly, few more important points about Karnataka. The song written by Kuvempu was adopted as state song of Karnataka in 2004 and the song is Jaya Bharat Jananiya Tanujate. The state animal is elephant. The state flower is lotus. The state tree is sandalwood tree. The state bird is Indian roller. Lastly, if you want anything specific about Karnataka, do let me know in the comments. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.